What is software development? Introduction. Software development is the process of designing, building, testing, and maintaining software applications. It includes everything involved in creating software, such as check planning, check coding, check testing, deployment, maintenance. A very common interview question is, what is software development? This topic explains what software development is, how the development process works, different phases of development, types of software development methodologies, roles involved, real-world examples, common mistakes, best practices. This is one of the most fundamental concepts in the tech industry. Simple definition. Software development is the process of creating software applications using programming, design, testing, and maintenance practices. Why software development exists. Software is built to solve problems. Examples. Check banking apps. Check social media platforms, hospital systems, e-commerce websites, games, mobile applications. Without software development, applications cannot be created. Systems cannot automate tasks. Businesses cannot scale efficiently. Main stages of software development. The development process usually follows several stages. 1. Requirement analysis. Understand. Quality. What the client needs. Business goals. Application features. Example questions. What problem are we solving? Who will use the system? What features are required? 2. Design. Plan the software architecture. Includes check database design, check UI/UX design, check system architecture, check API structure. Example. Designing front-end, screens, back-end services, database tables. 3. Development, coding. Developers write the actual code. Example technologies. Front-end, React, Angular, Vue. Backend, Java, Python, Node.js, C#. Databases, PostgreSQL, MySQL, Oracle. Example. Public class hello world. Public static void main, string ang args. System out.println, hello world, -- 4. Testing. Testing ensures software works correctly. Types of testing. Unit testing, integration testing, system testing, automation testing, performance testing. Goal, find bugs before release. 5. Deployment. Deploy the application to production. Examples. Cloud deployment, cloud containers, Kubernetes, AWS, Azure. Users can now access the application. 6. Maintenance. Software needs updates after release. Includes 6. Fixing bugs, adding new features, security updates, performance improvements. Software development is continuous. Software Development Lifecycle, SDLC. The complete process is called SDLC, Software Development Lifecycle. Typical flow. Requirements, design, development, testing, deployment, maintenance. Types of software development, web development. Building websites and web applications. Examples. Check Netflix, Amazon, YouTube. Technologies. React, Spring Boot, Node.js, mobile development. Building mobile apps. Examples. Check Android apps. Check iPhone apps. Technologies. Kotlin, Swift, Flutter, React Native backend development. Handles. Business logic, APIs, databases, authentication. Example. A banking API processing transactions. Front-end development. Handles. UI, buttons, pages, user interaction. Example. Login page UI. Full stack development. Works on Check frontend, check backend, check database. Full stack developers build complete applications. Game development. Building games using Unity, Ren Engine, GIS, C++. Examples. Mobile games, console games, popular programming languages. Common languages in software development. Language common usage. Java Enterprise Backend, Python AI Backend Automation, JavaScript Frontend Web, C# Enterprise Games, Go High Performance Backend, Kotlin Android, Swift iOS, Development Methodologies Waterfall. Linear process. Requirements means design, means development, means testing. Each phase completes before the next. Agile. Modern iterative approach. Features. Check. Small releases. Continuous improvement. Sprint-based development. Widely used today. DevOps in software development. DevOps combines: development, deployment, operations. Tools. Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, GitHub Actions. Goal. Capital, faster and reliable delivery. Version control. Software teams use version control systems. Most common. Git. Platforms, GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket. Benefits. Current, track changes. Collaboration, rollback support. Real-world example. Example, e-commerce website, Frontend, React. Backend, Spring Boot. Database, PostgreSQL. Features. Login, product search, payments, order tracking. Development includes APIs, database design, deployment, testing. Team roles in software development. Common roles. Role. Responsibility. Front-end developer. UI, back-end developer. Server logic. Full-stack developer. Both front-end, back-end. QA engineer. Testing. DevOps engineer. Deployment. Product manager. Requirements. UI UX designer. User experience. Common beginner mistakes. 1. Skipping planning. Leads to poor architecture. Unclear requirements. 2. Ignoring testing. Creates unstable software. 3. Writing unmaintainable code. Bad naming and poor structure cause long-term problems. 4. Not using version control. Makes collaboration difficult. 5. Ignoring security. Can expose user data. Best practices. Check. Write clean code. Check. Use version control. Check. Test regularly. Check. Document APIs. Check. Follow coding standards. Check. Review code. Check. Automate deployments. Software development tools. Common tools. Category tools. IDE, IntelliJ, VS Code. Version control Git, CI/CD, Jenkins, GitHub Actions, containers Docker, Cloud AWS, Azure, project management Jira, career paths. Software development careers include backend developer, front-end developer, mobile developer, cloud engineer, DevOps engineer, software architect, AI engineer.
Performance considerations.
Good software should be scalable, secure, maintainable, performant. Developers optimize. Database queries, APIs, memory usage, response times, simple example workflow, client request feature, team design solution, developers write code, QA tests application, deployed to production, users use software, team maintains system. Software development is the process of building software systems through calendaring, coding, testing, deployment, maintenance. It powers websites, mobile apps, enterprise systems, cloud platforms, modern technology products. Key idea. Software development transforms ideas and business requirements into real working applications.